Normala kenyam ka nas dial tin content barwani lingwa seme ka nur online TV channel an wala shanka wel kel ka paiwero ron kina dangro uri jandangro wi de dh ban report me ban jaling ka do badan en charge no ka je ban right ka kwi rig me to re we ka nasser ka kwi lok doctoring machar na me new report amade kon diaru dan palpin ba ka lieng de no ka tai cha doctor ma cha nyok mo gwan ka jen thama ka jen lu ka dan shan lu re wi ka juba ano doctor ma cha te ka tet ka kore dan chi to gwa de chi ne ti wan chi ka lu tin ka nasser me chi ngwan en wore chi kan de ne jan sha ka ju ka dor shal ke wi yara du shwa ka na ko me general len ma jur dak ka shu kan de ne SSPD abani shu kan ga ju shala no reng ma cha te ka tin bana yu linga gwa ka jen ne me ni ko do dan te kon linga ja Natin kontila persecution witness ki natin kontila nin de kolar natin konin kwa kuma defend kin kwa kin mi yadi kwa defend kene titini chikan la do ne kani Dr. Machar la first by president take a tet kataye dane chi ko je to ga Nasser kana tikan ka evidence ngai kan ka kana evidence ni am ke te nyodo reng Machar take a tet den take a tet na gwasamo Waring Machar take a command responsibility. Wajenda take a woda loud na malat ka chargelet. No. Anjo chalat guaseme a chinate condla defend lawyer, chikala donena. Ko gonyen first by president and wojan take a titan. If the nukun can. To be new the guano she Chireng Machar take a titan. No, katai dan chidin chobukudang jandang di chigalutin. Ai wujin chal ke Nasser ko yara du chang ka de larno ka pai diok ron kin dang ro jandang ro de dich chinerian kontin gwain ke Dr. Machar kala do ne na kene Dr. Machar te ke jaram dan te ke tet ke jaram dan te ke we take a command responsibility ka military leader a wona connected content gwasama so me take a crime ke der michalat and it in content te ke area de like no Nasser SPL mayo control area so when you know mete mishalat and where why am ki SPLIO forces so ramdan de tijanga kene Dr. Machar no ka jen lugo jendang red bang mandien evident in kon en chanyu the no shi Dr. Machar e cheder che lat ke chicken ka president ka joran chalat en lugo mo lo ka ka freedom all ka changa doko jok michala do gwase dan chuchi kon dial ngaje no chaje charge suspend ne ke de kolar no charge kapchong ne ke chenge dan ke charge delay me chi ramkel mila judge justice Stephen Simon me cha mo ke jwe re wi ke juba kala do ba te lug mo ba je kamnial ka jel luga me chala de gwasme ramadan la men gon Dr. Machar ke cross examination dan chalat Major Peter Malwal jena members of South Sudan People Defense Force ke ramkel ke de ne SSPDF ka kwi military investigation committee dan inshallah defend lawyer kulu alkur right no chelar no nene en ta gwain ka Dr. Machar ka jama jenne tele evident nyota jenne tele direct proof nyota no Dr. Machar ramkel mi chidira mo chelat no Major Peter she acknowledge no nene jene committee te kone cha kwan ken tele ko audio ka tele ka video evident menyo Dr. Machar no take a direct link it direct order che youtube lado to i na ka commander general ki na ka general David Majur che ngai dane che ko je to ga wa tele video ka tele audio do bana kwa link jamoni na cha gu je no na mengu e ka wa de dane ba general Majur doc me ba kul nak General Majur ka chenga nyam chala do jen chaji kono baji nang chala do no jene de ni ka aka konwe ka juba no de ni ka kan nang ka de ni ka kwa evacuate ba kulo we run jen tai da na chala ke je chwa de ni ka kon nang ka nyam chu do jok me chaje lya ka long bo ne ken wo jen che ta ndanen nok de ni ka je che nyot no ko che lu no ba nang no po ne ken nyam ka jeno take bot jene de ni ka kwa nang den ba la we run Agenta money. Chakula do no mit Dr. Machar take connect the ngume wo je nanga de ni ke je kenyam ko dong che cha de ya nanga dial che cha chu nanga Maju ne ke chenganyam it was Maju dark decision and wojen but remain behind no below ke chenga dong no ano bu kol bula to ga shanga do dien mo wa shang do dien mi tele Dr. Machar tele ten ko lebu ni in the same brain you know ko en tai dan ko che to ga je chala do ne na live equation charge la ne de konen chalo ka ti ananga jube dini chop ko koru jen mo ne badak tela SSPDF troop non ti chana ka UN aircraft ya kan nang ka sha rescue to rameda ne mo ke piu mo ka kwan anga okay ana mo wude me che la no ne ti kan kan wak te ram chi kan wak bad ne ka tam dan chala ro ne ti cha mo ka kwan ke cha mo ka piu kwa te dan ti chu ke te nye Major Peter che denied no tele me cha kam ke ne ti jene kan ne de kon ti la di ni kan ku ko survive sham kan man plan sham kan ni mat kan piu no ti tet kan gwa mo ka garrison gwa da na chi ko je tok ten no na re ve kol ka me dan ti ke te jene committee te kon te nan kana jene chi ku mes pele mario chi kan ten me gwe ken oba ka jene mene ko evacuation de kon ko conduct ku mes pele ayo ku mes pele ayo ko gwade dane chinaro ke Dr. Machar shu ko abara ke ni kon la jes pele ayo ko biken mo biken de jen do be dane kuna right ke jen ka cha lawo no ba majur ba janang ken de ni ka no so mo nyodo Dr. Machar tele tet kan ka ta dane na men ci kor mo ci to ko ke ta dane ci liaje to ko ci jang tu ngwan ci ko right bon ka Canadian continent re wiki juba you know many media ni ken ban right ke tenen wo reng ma cha tele le teten lat ken wona me political motivated ko blame ni Dr. Machar ci te Dr. Machar mi ci dor ci la de ken no reng ma char mi ram ma de rande nak dio ja chengen yam ci me ci bararan majur dong ci jayu nakaja no so man chalat Major Peter nyod jen wo charge no bane jang ko kenene ne jang ken man dan lat ke kirme yadi de ken direct political motivated no she wo to tereng ma cham ci dur shi dur so jen do dan kalat ke je defend lawyer wer nyang kir wer nyang no she challenge and michit kana me no and wo and military investigation a guardian chicken investigation kan latino ne chinati ko and distance between SSPDF kan SPLIO kam dien ke wi yara diu no la pedian ko kanan ka cha Major Peter cha je tije no ne gwa dan tije SPLIO tigetin location en kan gwa te SSPDF tin a ping midinde okay she would chalka me Major Peter malwal men ku Dr. Machar gwa jene kujeje je tele investigation mi kan lat ko me talk te SPLIO tiken kelling ka me dan le rode e distance nan tigetin kan distance nan to kume SSPDF te be kana konna ajane kan lar mi kana mo ko kana kam ke chikan jo mo chikan lat kan me kunne focus tin long tai dan ko che to ga je ka kwi kwang me ko sikan Dr. Machar wi kan nyomo go in kana ka kwi military equipment ten konte cha dak dor chal ka wi yara diu kan military equipment to gwa dan ne cha wi yara diu cha ka tin ngwan wari ko me ken kan ga ban pin men torbire tin la video la kana te ka match no achi defend lawyer wer nyang che tie no ne na en go kan military equipment ti chala no te kan ke yur shop ke $58 million okay banyo ke pin di no defend lawyer wer nyang as about weapon value at an estimated 15 million that were allegedly abandoned during the SSPDF withdrawal okay katara ndi kala ke ja chete ko wane alat gwasme okay so and tadan chalat ke Major Peter che detail che galat ke kwi tichi to jene gwade dan ci ko che to ko je you know ka mechi jene ci deni ke Norway army ci ken military ci kan overrun jene en mil en gwade dan gari sontenatin ci genere konti la Norway army no ci kan ngoni je ci kan de raid ci kan connect you can deni jo ku dangaro ngwasa mo ci kan connectin jen me jaga ko ba kan equipment ti ba ka ban pinyo kan no che nyo la do ne kan te ko de chi kan churen barne de ko ne chi dot re which ka yara du chwa kan ya chwa na jen lat kan ngone ri chok ko 250 di ye kan test nyen chen ran ko to ka je but going man going kan na ga je gwas me kan me te kon te cha kap no gwa de ko che tok tin wa chaga nang adina SPLIO cha jogo no ne de ko ne nang kamet ke Norway army ko kolm ye to la ti ne de nang je but right now lat ken loss da chip ne ken cha $58 million cha loss ke ken kwi men to la military equipment so na money going can Dr. Machar ke je she can explain lo no ne kene kan mai kan ka ban fin kwa surrender ka janta da ni kana lat kan chicken ka surrender jikan ka kam nur wai ami kan ne kon la SSPDF ke ri fodan chicken no kene kan ne mai kan ne abandon but chine ka surrender ka chine tum ne ka no she confirm no ne na jani chicken chicken turbil medin metu da kama chicken ban pin ka jan ka jan garrison ala wi yara du ajane ka kore chwa ma mo chwa benang netin kon tila GSP la yu ka jodan chalat no e chicken nen ro gar ka je GSP la yu so ko kuje mon e kali na me ka GSP la yu te ketet no ka kore cha cross examination cha nyom lat ka je public prosecutor Marsa Job Jeremiah re-examine it na mene charaden che nyom te je Ramadan shal kede then take a tumwan teacher president Guatemala she argument to chetwo ka kwi authority ke long kan bom kan responsibility te konde te kana gwade da na chiko chetwo tin shit ke shala do ne command and chief of the SPLA opposition group ala Machar kanene ne ka changa kel ka pai dio ka 2025 no sha SSPDF cha gujino ken shika stuck ke cha ka mak ne kon la tin la de ni ke ngwanen wore la GSPL ayo kan norway ami ke joran ni kalat gwasme kene nguda kan we are do kan ke meji kana kolat ken yam ke taye da ni kalat ke jeno ke changa kel ga pa dio ke ni to chala do de ni SSPDF de ke were we ke nasir ngai ke je ku me SPL ayo ci den kela do ne cha committee cha kwan tete nwer wai ami batikaten kan te commander coordinator geleteten kan deputy da kan makana jene kan te konte wa ataka ndawda kapkaje wazi dan bokor botokten take video mi kan nyon mi ka kan makana kan former Nasser County Commissioner James Galwalo shi kan declare no ne kan te kel ka dakma char no ka kuma spelayo and footage mo ke video mo cha torgele cha jenentin konwer wai ami ko galaler ki ko ka briefed kan kor ka network no jen plan mi share ale ka already e kuma spela yo kan nwer wai ami na me bo cha gu jen o shi talk bane kan ne jen ta da nan gwan kereng mo char ka je en go reng ma cha te ke teketin kon lat krodian ko dara ne ka dara kan luk so ko kan ne ka luk ka ta da kan lat ke je ajana ne me ajan mi nyoda no reng ma char no te ke tet ka tin kon char en lat jen ta da na go ken Dr. reng ma char ke je re which ka kwi ko re da ni talk no ka jo dan kan lat kwasmene. A prosecution witness has told the special court in Juba that the suspended files by President Dr. Riek Machar is linked to the Nasser killing through evidence of command responsibility. They stated that the claim was made after a defense lawyer repeatedly demanded that direct evidence connecting Dr. Machar, the first by President, to the deaths of more than 200 government SSPDF soldiers in the town of Nasser in March 2025. The legal concept of command responsibility can hold military leaders accountable for a crime committed by their subordinate, even if they did not personally order them. The evidence was presented during the high-profile trial 29 session at Freedom Hall on Wednesday, which resumed after a delay caused by the illness of one of the judges by the name Justice Stephen Simon. Defense challenged direct evidence. The session saw the defense continue its cross-examination of Major Peter Malwal, a member of the South Sudan People Defense Forces SSPD Military Investigation Committee. Defense lawyer Kurlwal Kur praised the witness on the lack of direct proof against Dr. Riek Machar. And Major Peter acknowledged that the committee had no audio or video evidence showing Machar directly ordered the killing of the garrison commander Gerald Bin Major Dak. The defense also questioned whether Machar had actually tried to help besieged soldiers in Nasser. They asked if he had supervised the evacuation of 198 SSPDF troops, requested UN aircraft for the rescue, or provide them with food and water via local officials. Major Peter denied these claims, stating the soldiers survived on chicken kept on the garrison and water from a vehicle radiator. He said the committee found the evacuation was conducted by the SSPDF, though Dr. Machar was consulted as Nasser was under his SPLIO faction control. Tension flared briefly when the defense asked if the military committee cooperated with a parallel police investigation. Major Peter responded sharply that there was no reason to cooperate and no such cooperation existed. Another defense lawyer from Dr. Machar's side, a man named Werenyang Kir, Werenyang further challenged the scope of the military investigation. He asked about the distance between the SSPDF and the SPLIO in Wiyara Due. Major Peter said these matters were not investigated or were outside the committee mandate. A significant exchange focused on the massive loss of military equipment during the Garrison fall. Defense lawyer Werenyang asked about weapon value at an estimated $15 million that were allegedly abandoned during the SSPDF withdrawal in Nasser Garrison after they have been attacked. Major Peter provided a detailed account of the chaotic retreat. He testified that the area was completely overrun, with more than 200 SSPDF soldiers killed in the fighting. In the order, he stated many surviving soldiers fled for their life without their personal weapon. He further explained that some firearms were not merely abandoned but were actively surrendered to the Y Army militia as ransom for the release of captured comrades. Additionally, he confirmed that every weapon and vehicle left behind at the garrison were later seized by elements of Dr. Riek Machar SPLIO force. Prosecution President Command case. Following the cross-examination, public prosecutor Marsa Jobi Jeremiah re-examined another witness referred to as Deng. Deng presented the prosecution counter-argument that Dr. Riek Machar overall authority made him responsible. He testified that as commander-in-chief of the Sudan People Liberation Army, an opposition group, Dr. Riek Machar formed a committee on 1st March 2025 to oversee South Sudan People Defense Force SSPDF movement in Nasser. The garrison was attacked 2 days later. Deng alleged this committee included Y Army Commander Colonel Torgile and his deputy Kang Makane, who led the second attack. He cited video evidence in which Kang Makane and the former Nasser County Commissioner James Galwale declared their alignment with Dr. Riek Machar, and the SPLIO further footage allegedly showed Torgile briefing Nuer Y Army use and outlining the attack plan on the army garrison. These actions demonstrate command responsibility, Deng said the court, arguing that only a commander could authorize such operation without being physically present. The presiding judge stated that the witness testimony required further review. The court has adjourned it and will reconvene on Friday, 12 December, when the bench will directly question Major Peter Malwal. Dr. Riek Machar and 7 co-accused face multiple charges, including murder, conspiracy, terrorism, financing terrorism, treason, destruction of public property, and crime against humanity. The charges relate to clash in Nasser County in March 2025 between the Nuer Y Army and community-based militia and the SSPDF. The government alleged SPLIO force were involved, leading to the deaths of General David Majudak and 257 soldiers.